Okay, so today I'm going to teach you about division. Now, the first thing you need to know about division is that there is a certain order you need to do in it, okay? So this is a good way to remember this order. Donuts make super cool breakfast. Okay? Okay, so this in mathematical form stands for divide, multiply, subtract, check, and bring down, okay? So now that we know that, I'm going to give you a problem and then we're going to solve it together. So my first problem is 556 divided by 15. Okay, so if I write that out in the problem form, it will go 556 divided by 15, okay? So 15 goes into 5 0 times. As you can see, right there I just did my division because I said how many times does 15 go into 5? And that is 0, okay? But that I am not done yet with dividing. Because 15 doesn't go into 5, I move down one and said how many times does 15 go into 55? And that is 3 times. So then you move on to multiplication and you go, what is 15 times 3? Now 15 times 3 is 45, okay? So now that you did the multiplication, you move on to subtraction. All you need to do for subtraction is subtract 55 by 45. So 5 minus 5 is 0, okay? And then 5 minus 4 is 1. Now, the last step is bring down. So, actually, no. There's one more step after subtraction, and that step is to check. Okay, so technically what you're checking is if your answer right here is smaller than this number right here. If it is, then you are correct. But if it's not, then you know that you did something wrong and you need to go back and check it, okay? So now you bring down, and you bring down the 6 that's up here and put it down here. Then you do you go all the way back to the beginning and do 15. How many times does 15 go into 106? And that is 7 times. So 15 times 7, which is my multiplication, is 105. Then you go to subtraction. You subtract these two numbers, and we end up with 6 minus 5, which is 1, 0 minus 0, which is 0, and 1 minus 1, which is 0. Now that is your answer because there is no other numbers right here, like there isn't a 7 or anything. There just isn't anything, right? So your answer is 37. Now this one here is called a remainder. Okay? Remainder. Okay? So your final answer is 37, remainder 1. Okay? Then you circle it, and that is your final answer.